I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Olymptrade app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go up of this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down, you click here on settings down here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on platform, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you come here to types of charts icon, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's main types of charts icon enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.